Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a get ready with me video in quite a while, so I wanted to go ahead and do another one today. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. So I just start at the top, kind of outline it a little bit, and then slowly fill it in. And then I'll make my way to the tail and do the same thing, kind of line it on the outside on top and then go underneath and kind of connect it. And then do the same with the bottom. And then from here, I'll slowly work my way to the front of my eyebrow and just like feather it up. And then just like that, and then I'll brush through it. So I'm going to do my other eyebrow and then I will be right back. I am just going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Cutie. Okay, so I'm going to take that with just a little blending brush and I'm going to put it in the crease and just use this as a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm not getting like glam or anything, just want to put a little bit of makeup on. So I'm just going to use this in the crease and blend it out. I didn't put any primer or anything like that on my eyelid either. Okay, just like that. This is just a real quick tutorial, or not even a tutorial, more of a get ready with me. So next I'm going to go in with my foundation. I just got this the other day. It's the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Granada. And I've heard really good things about Juvia's Place, the foundation, but the liquid foundation, I've never heard anything about this one. So the other foundation that I like is the Makeup Forever HD foundation, which is this one right here. And I've already used almost all of it. And it, I love the way this looks and I love the consistency of the product. So this one, for me, seemed similar, very similar to that one when I swatched it at the store, so I ended up picking it up. I don't know how much it was. I want to say maybe $16, maybe even less. And I'll leave it down in the description box below. I just picked it up at Ulta. And then to blend it, I'm just using this powder brush from e.l.f. It's broken, but I don't know why I haven't got another one. And I like this one because it's more of a creamy consistency rather than a liquid foundation. I've only used it once, but so far I like it a lot. To me, it's like exactly, or not exactly like the HD, the Makeup Forever foundation, but it's not as oily to me, which is good. Next, I am gonna take my Revolution Concealing Define Concealer, and I think this one is in the shade C11. So I'm just gonna do this right under my eyes. And I think I picked a good color. Usually I go brighter underneath my eyes, but lately I've been liking more of a, I wouldn't call it natural, but more of my skin tone color rather than going a little bit brighter or a lot brighter. And I like to get around my mouth because you can see like my veins around my mouth. And then I'll go back in with the same brush and kind of just push it in to my skin. So underneath my eyes, I just lightly tap the product into my skin, and then I'm going to go back in with my bronzer and just put a little bit more product where I lost it. Now I'm going to take another little brush. This is a no-name brand brush. I don't even know where I got it. And I'm going to use the same BH Cosmetics bronzer. And I'm just going to grab a little bit because it's very pigmented, so you don't need a lot at all. And I'm just going to put this like right under my cheekbones. And then bring it up to my hairline. Blend that. And I try to get into my hairline also. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then a little bit underneath my chin. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with this Profusion blush. I use these 3 shades. I just mix them. For that, I'm grabbing this little brush, and these are also very pigmented, so you don't need a lot at all. So I'm just going to push it onto my cheekbones. Okay, and next I'm taking just a regular fluffy brush just to blend everything together. I'm going to line my eyes with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And I'm not making it too thick either. I'm going to line my lips with this Wet n Wild brow liner, and I'm just going to use it to go around my lips. Then I'm going to go over it with this lip gloss. This is the Wet n Wild one. Everything's already come off it, so I don't have any name for it. I'll try to look for it. If I find it, I'll leave it linked below. I am using these eyelashes by Kiss, and I'll leave the name down in the description box below because I threw the box away. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Too Faced highlighter, and this one is in the shade You Light Up My Life. Mine's a little bit broken, so. And for that, I'm using another e.l.f. brush. Oh, this one is actually their highlighting brush. So I'm just gonna go on the top of my cheeks. And my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, so this is gonna complete the look, and I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.